person, a great sister, and a great friend. Na kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, alam ko nandyan ka. Just in case kailangan ko ng prayer, partner, or may problema man ako. Happy birthday, Pibot! Hindi mag-i-end yung friendship natin. Magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin. And looking forward to see you pag-uwi namin ni Arnold, ng aking asawa. Arnold, dali ka! And syempre, hindi ako mag-isa mag-greet ng happy birthday sa'yo. Kasama ko na rin ang aking partner. Say happy birthday to Bibot.
Hello, happy birthday, Bibot. Good luck for your 50 birthday.
Good luck.
Good luck.
God bless.
Oh, God bless mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy
We love
birthday.
you.
We love you, Bibot. Ingat lang.